fashion stuff, kind of vintage style. So let's go check it all out. At Ajibarao Restaurant that's themed in the old style in Puerto Rico. So all the vintage things, vintage cars, vintage old-fashioned houses, all sorts of stuff. And so we're gonna have some nice dinner right by the river. The chancletazo de Abuela Chita. So in Puerto Rico, if you throw a chancla, it's a form of correction for your children. So, Aiden. Okay, now if he was doing something wrong, you say, Aiden, no hagas eso.
Ten cuidado que no le dé de verdad. Los niños de ahora le tiran para atrás. She died at 91 years old. So that's pretty cool. So a lot of this is dedicated to her. Alright, look, we got our food. I got camarones empanados, arroz mangostillado, we got masitas de pollo, mofongo y caldo. Mofongo. Look at the mofongo, look how pretty. Okay, what do we say, Eden? Eden, what do we say when we eat? Buen provecho! always be a child.
Antes que something like.
No veo.
No sé ahora.
Ah. Ah.
Dos.
Ajá. Una cabeza.
Tres.
Oh, wow.
A su mano a ti.
¿Hay otra?
Sí.
Here's another hidden canyon platform. Look, Aiden, another canyon platform.
So we're just doing a quick little tour around town of Aguada to show my friend Heidi some of the sights along the coast and around the area. So this is a really cool area here with all of the artisans. We saw the canyon beach and the big antenna, so we'll see what else we can find.